Hi guys, Joy here, and welcome to Enjoyable Characters. As you guys know, I live in Taiwan, which is in Chinese, Taiwan, Taiwan. The first character, Tai, is like a triangle stacked on a square, Tai. The second character, Wan, I admit that it looks very complicated, but I assure you, when you're in Taiwan, you can see this character everywhere. Don't worry.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.